Good evening to all of you. I guess all of you are able to hear me. So please confirm all of your name and confirm am I audible to all of you. Okay, so I asked to start with the question, and so whenever the class is there, just come little bit 2 minutes before so that I'll be adding the previous topic questions. So this question first I will discuss and then we'll continue the further. We already discussed about the gap method. I mean, basic idea about the permutation we discussed, restrictors. And today's will be most probably will be starting combination also. So question was that arrangement of the 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, 5, 6. So that all 4 letters are never together. 4 letters, these 4 letters. These 4 objects should never be together. See the line, understand the meaning of this point. This is all 4 letter in the sense कि if 2 letters are coming together, no problem. 3 letters coming together, no problem. But all 4 letters should not be together. This is what the meaning. The first thing is that free arrangement, how many? To total 9 objects are there. You can see 3 plus 4, 7 to 9. 9 factorial is the free arrangement, and in that those arrangement is also there when only A and B are together, only AC together, only ABC together, only and ABCD also are together. I don't want that. So minus those cases when this ABCD are together. So this ABCD I will keep inside a box. I hope remember all of you. So these 4 objects can be considered as a one object. The total how many objects become 1, 2, 3, and this is for 1, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 factorial arrangement, and ABCD can do internal arrangement by 4 factorial way. So this is the total answer is going to come. The answer will be this C option will be the answer. And maximum people mark C option only. But there are people who are marking the first one, and there are people who are marking the none of these also. Please concentrate. It's a so simple question. Right? So let's go ahead further and do the things. I hope it's clear, this question. Solution is clear to everybody. Always try to do the mathematics by the simple way. Don't try to make so much complication. Otherwise, it will be later stage, it will be a problem. So now the further things into this. So we discussed about that if objects are coming together, what will happen? Objects are not coming together, what will happen? And 2 objects are not coming together, that's what will happen. That is what things we discussed till now. Now, let's go ahead and next point mention all of you. Arrangements of n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on nm plus capital N objects. Just write it. I will explain what is the meaning. Objects. Taking all together. That is very important point. Means I'm going to arrange every object. Total how many objects are there? The n1 plus this many number of objects. These are not objects. This many number of objects. Why I'm writing this way, I will tell you. Hold on. Taking all together will be. Before I come to this point, let's understand this meaning of this so that we can take it out. We can write in our own style. Think carefully. Suppose if I say arrange these objects ABC. Concentrate, everybody, stop writing. Arrange this one. You will say it's very, very simple. 3 factorial. Meaning is what? How 3 factorial came? I already given you so many times this example. Okay, A and this C interchange with the B. Then again B, A interchange with the C, and then C interchange with the A, and like that total 6 option is coming. That is why 3 factorial means 6 will be the answer. This is what we mean to say. But imagine a situation. If I say this B and C you cannot interchange. B and C you cannot interchange. It means this, only this you can take it. This will be rejected. All of you agree with me? If I say B and C, suppose just imaginary condition, B and C you cannot interchange with each other. This kind of condition. So this will be rejected. Where else is happening? B and C is getting interchanged. Look carefully. Some other places will be also there where the B and C is getting interchanges. I'm not checking it here. It will waste of time, but surely it will be there. So we will be rejecting those cases where B and C are interchanging. So this kind of situation, what will happen? If these two cannot interchange, means B and C internal arrangement is not allowed. If internal arrangement of few objects not allowed. So how to handle that kind of situation? It's a damn simple. Total number of arrangement divided by, because that is not allowed, be clear. This is the internal arrangement. It's not total arrangement. When total arrangement you have to remove, you have to subtract. But if you have to remove part of arrangement, internal arrangement, you have to divide. As like when I say previous question when we solve here, watch it carefully. What I did, these objects should be together. So this internal arrangement you multiply it. Whenever internal arrangement you have to include, you have to multiply. Whenever internal arrangement you have to exclude, you have to divide. Because and situation is there. Divided by internal arrangement. Those who don't want to interchange their position. Internal arrangement. Let's understand by the example. If I say arrange this A, B, C, D, but C and D interchange is not allowed. So I will say first do free arrangement. A, B, C, D 4 factorial divided by number of internal arrangement of C and D. C and D can interchange in how many ways? 2 factorial. So this will be answer. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Am I right? If I say in how many ways I can arrange 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. If internal arrangement of 1, 2, digits are not allowed. Internal arrangement of digits are not allowed. See, they will not mention internal arrangement. You have to understand other way. Ki interchanging the position of 1, 2, 3 is not allowed. Or order of 1, 2, 3 should not change. Different way this wording can come. One is that mean ki internal arrangement not allowed. Internal arrangement not allowed. Or you can say interchanging of this 1, 2, 3 objects not allowed. Or you can say order of few object does not change. Order should not change. Means in whatever order right now, the same order should maintain. This is the wording of the question. They will mention the question wording in this way. So by first assume ki everything allowed. So total how many arrangement? I will say 3 plus 4, 7 factorial divided by those whose internal arrangement not allowed. 1, 2, 3 internal arrangement not allowed. So they can do internal arrangement in how many way? If they are the only 1, 2, 3, they can do by 3 factorial. So by 3 factorial. Finish. Everybody, please confirm. Is it clear to all of you? Am I right? It's very simple, straightforward things. Please confirm, everybody. Is it clear? फास्ट टाइपिंग करने में भी इतना टाइम लगता है. Okay. What other way situation when the internal arrangement without saying we should say that it's not allowed? Think carefully. If I say I have to arrange A, B, C, D, you remember first lecture I told you mixed object can come. This is a mixed object. Now I have to do arrangement of this. But in this, two objects are identical. अब here they are not mentioning ki whose arrangement interchange allowed or not. That is your common sense. If you interchange A with A, is there any new way? No. So it means by default I can say since they are identical, A and A cannot interchange. A and B can interchange their position. A new way will come. See, if you interchange A and B, what will come? B, A, C, D. This is the new arrangement. But if you interchange this A and this A, you will get again this. This is not new arrangement. So internal arrangement not allowed by default when the objects are identical. So then also you do by same way. Assume they are all are free arrangement, all are different. Assume, so that will be total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. But I know this is the wrong answer because in this, that case is also included when A and A interchange their position. So divided by internal arrangement of A and A is not allowed. I will say 2 factorial. I'm sure it's clear to everybody, right? Plenty of questions can be created. A, B, C, D. Everybody, please type the answer. In how many ways we can arrange them? Taking all at a time. This is the very important condition. Taking all at a time. Taking all the objects at a time. In how many ways we can arrange? Please answer quickly. Everyone, quickly. Quickly, everybody. Okay. अरे भाई, first assume all are interchanging position allowed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factorial. I know it's wrong answer because in that case also included when A and A can interchange position, B and B can interchange position, divided by whose internal arrangement is not allowed? A and A. So 2 factorial and is coming. B, 3 factorial, and C, 2 factorial, and D, 2 factorial. This will be answer. I hope it's clear to everybody. All right. Now, answer me this question quickly, everybody. In how many ways we can arrange? In how many ways? I'm not writing, it will take time. In how many ways we can arrange? We can arrange the letters of कुछ भी ले लो, anything, IIT JEE. Quickly, answer. Fast answer. In how many ways we can arrange the letters of IIT JEE? Ah. See, class 6:30 means 6:30. Should not be delay 1 minute also. If you'll join in between, it will be problem for you. We have to do arrangement of the IIT JEE. So total how many letters? 6. 6 factorial free arrangement. This is the wrong answer because I know it's everything is considered here. Divided by whose internal arrangement is not allowed? II 2 factorial, EE 2 factorial. That's all. Am I right? Next. In how many ways? Many ways. The letters of the word A, B, this is comma, don't use this one. This is just to show you. Okay, some people will take this one also object. A, B, C, E, I, O, M. Now, many letters of the word can be arranged. Can be arranged if order of vowel does not change. Order of vowel does not change. Quickly, everybody. Order of the vowel does not change. A, B, C, E, I, O, M. Only one student giving answer quickly. The rest people are sleeping. Do fast. By how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial divided by order of the vowel should not change. Order does not change means interchanging not allowed. Right now, order of the vowels is what? A, how many vowel? 2, 3, 4. So divided by 4 factorial. Finish, question over. Have you understood? Now come to our point, which I wanted to tell to you. What is the meaning and everything? Arrangement of N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus so on till Nm plus capital N objects. When taking all together, where N1, first kind of identical object, objects. N2, second kind of identical objects. N3, third kind of identical objects. So on, Nm, mth kind of identical objects. And capital N, different objects. This is the way of writing. Means, like suppose if I say A, B, and C, D, E. So we'll say that this we can write this one as a 3 plus 2 plus 3 objects, where 3 number of one kind of identical object, 2 number another kind of object, and these are different objects. So for this case, what will be answer? Total arrangement will be how much? N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus so on Nm plus capital N factorial. I know it's wrong answer because n1 number of identical objects are there. So divided by internal arrangement of the n1 factorial, n2 factorial, so on, and m factorial. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Capital N factorial don't write because capital N number of different objects are there. Their internal arrangement is very much allowed. Is this clear to everybody? Is this point clear? You don't have to learn, as I told you, that nothing has to be learned. You have to go just simply be basic point. Is this clear to everybody? Please confirm. Now I'm going to ask question. Let me see, really clear to how many people? This question contains 2-3 bits, so carefully write with me, all of you. For a seminar, you know, where the people used to blah, 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 they do, no? That is a seminar. For a seminar, web seminar, nowadays web seminar become common. Earlier days, stage used to be there. On the stage, people come in front of mic and they do blah, blah, blah. So for a seminar, there are 10 speakers, means who is going to do blah, blah, blah. 10 speakers, let them, the name is the S1, S2, S3. Their name is there, but I'm just calling them S1, S2, S3 till S3. In how many ways they can, keep on writing, in how many ways they can speak if, first bit, S1, S2, S3 always speak one by one. Always speak together. Together means what? It doesn't mean in one mic everybody, all three are speaking. Means if S1 is speak, S2 is speaking, S2 is speak, S1 is speak, means they should speak together. Speak together. Second bit, S1, S3 speak. First bit you remove. This is not, this is, please cut it. Otherwise you will get confused. This is the first bit. S3 speak after S2 and S2 speak after S1. Second bit, S3 speak just after S2 and S2 speak just after S1. 2 bit enough. Everybody understood the meaning of the question. First bit, S3 speak after S2. Be clear, both are different question. In first bit, S3 speak after S2. Means S2 speak, after that somebody came, but then S3 coming. But in second bit, S3 speak just after S2. And S2 speak just after S1. It's a very simple question. If you use formula, nothing will happen. If you use common sense, basic fundamental, answer will come. Any question can be solved. Okay, somebody given the answers. Sanju, I think you gave the wrong answer because you are treating both same question. Both are not same question. Please read the line. Okay, 2 people, 3 people given correct answer. No, 4 people. Till now, 4 people given correct answer. Let's try. Nothing has to be done. Actually, these 10 people have to speak. If I say no condition, so then it's very simple. We'll say 10 factorial. By S1 can speak, then S3 can speak, then S7 can speak. So there are 10 factorial option. By arrangement is there, no? In what order they can be speaking to S1, S2 like this, or S1, S3 like this, like that 10 factorial option will be there. I hope it's clear to everybody if there is no condition. Now, first bit, S3 speak after S2, S2 speak after S1. That means S1, the order of speaking of S1, S2, S3 is like this. And this order should not change. Maybe before S1 somebody is speaking, I don't care. Between S1 and S2 somebody is speaking, I don't care. Because I want S1 should speak after that, S2 only is not just after. Anytime. Maybe just after, maybe after few people. So order of the S1, S2, S3 is not changing. Have you understand the meaning of the first bit? Orders of S1, S2, S3 should not change. That means first bit answer will become your 10 factorial by 3 factorial. I hope it's clear to everybody. Now, second bit is saying what? S3 speak just after S2, S2 speak just after. Means S1, S2, S3 should come like this. So they should come always together. They become one box. Yes or no? And next, other 7 speaker. So this is the 1 object plus 7, 8 object. So 8 factorial into internal arrangement of S1, S2, S3. Not allowed. Because S2 has to speak just after S1 and S3 has to speak just after S2. So internal arrangement is not allowed. Internal arrangement not allowed. So it means number of way for the arranging. This will be what? 1 way. Or if you want to do by the normal way, you can do total internal arrangement. Total arrangement of this internal will be 3 factorial. Since internal arrangement is not allowed, so by 3 factorial. But no need of writing like this. Simply you can say 1 way. So answer will be 8 factorial. I hope it's clear to everybody. I'm not going to spend much time into this. So many people given correct answer. Am I clear? Anyone have difficulty? Please let me know so that I can re-explain any particular point. Do not hesitate. You can speak out if you have the difficulty. I'm sorry. So this is the arrangement of the mix object whenever is coming. Again, some people may have doubt. Ki, sir, whatever question we discuss, there all the object I was arranging. Means if I say A, B, B, C, D, E, F, arrange them, taking all object at a time. But what will happen if they say arrange 4 object or 5 object? That we have to do after the combination using multinomial theorem. That is the one of the most important part of the permutation combination, which we'll be seeing later. So right now, this kind of question you can deal only when there is a all object you have to arrange it. All right. Chali. Let's go to the next point into this one. So some small point which you already know, but still. Number of arrangement of n identical objects. Identical objects. Taking all at a time. No, taking r objects at a time. Taking r objects at a time. Will be, speak out, will be, there are n object, I want to arrange r objects. Everybody? Second part, somebody have difficulty in the previous. I will re-explain, don't worry. What will be this answer? Now, you should develop habit to give the answer of any new concept by your own way. Number of arrangement of n identical objects. Objects are there, n objects are there, but all are identical. And we have to arrange r objects only, small r object. If all are different, then NPR. NPR. But here, all are identical. Quickly. Yes, one way. Very simple. Will be 1. Right? Next. Treat as a question. Nothing you have to learn. Number of arrangement of n identical objects. Identical objects taking at least one object at a time. At a time. Quickly, do you understand meaning of the question? N identical, but we have to arrange at least one object at a time. So means I can arrange one object also, I can arrange two object also, I can arrange three object also, and so on. Yes, one person given answer. Next. See, as fast you will give answer. Sometimes I will ask the people to put their comment on this. This is the person who given the first time answer very quickly. Yes. N iron. Think carefully. Suppose if I say arrange these letters, taking at least one object at a time. So if I will take one object, only one way I can arrange, because if I am taking R object, only one way. Or I can take two object, how many way I can arrange? One way. Or I can take three object, or I can take four object, or I can take five object. So total 5 way will come. Same way, the n object are there, so at least one object. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus how many time? N time will be n. Again, I'm saying you don't have to learn. I'm just telling you what are the possibilities can be happen. If you'll have the notes, so you can, all these notes you can revise it. That's all. It will be more than enough. So you'll understand what are the possibility can be happen. Imagine if I say same question. Sorry. I hope you're able to understand that. Number of arrangement of n identical object taking at least, taking any number of object. Taking any number of object. Taking any number of object. Taking any number of objects. Will be, speak out. Will be. Is this question and previous question are different or same? Yes. One person given answer very quickly. Good. any number of object. That means there is a possibility that zero object also I can take. So zero object, if I'm saying that key in how many way I can arrange this, taking any number. So one option, I'm not taking any object. That is the one object, one arrangement, blank arrangement. That is also one way. And then one object, two object. So that will be n plus 1 will be n plus 1 will be n plus 1 will be n plus 1. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Now, till now, whatever arrangement we discussed, that was, yeah, we can take nothing. Nothing means one arrangement. Till now, whatever we discussed, now listen carefully, that was called as the row arrangement. Row arrangement means what? Object we are arranging on the same line. Means in a line, not only line, means where there is the starting point and end point is there. Or you can say numbering we can give. Whenever you can give the place numbering, that is called as the row arrangement. Whatever we discussed till now, by default, if they are asking how many way we can arrange, they are talking to you. This is what is the row arrangement they are asking. So row arrangement meaning is that this place number is specified. This is the first place, this is the second place, third place, fourth place, like that. Understood my point? But there is a possibility place number we cannot specify. In that case, what situation should be happen? That comes in the category of the circular arrangement. Let's understand the meaning of the circular arrangement. First understand meaning, and after that only we can start doing the things. So give the heading, all of you. Circular arrangement. Circular arrangement. Name is circular arrangement, but meaning is what? That's question. Okay. Meaning, let me explain you by a simple example. Think carefully. It's just out of mathematics example, but then you will feel what exactly meaning, what part is difference between the row and circular arrangement. Imagine one kindergarten school is there. Which is school? Kindergarten. Kindergarten, all of you know, you will not go in the kindergarten. The small kids, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. And those kids, have you ever seen the kindergarten school children? All are full of noise. If anybody have to say to me, teach kindergarten students, that for me it will be really difficult task. I cannot teach. I can't speak to them also. They will keep chatting, speaking here, there. And they will never sit down properly. They will vibrate here and there, here and there. Listen carefully. I'm teaching mathematics only. I'm not telling you a story. But by that way only you can understand. Imagine these three people. Suppose their name is something. Chanku, Manku, Tinku. Let's say A name, B name, C name. This person, imagine slightly notorious kind of things. He was sitting here. What he did, he pushed him. The moment when he pushed, this C person flat on ground. C gone on the ground, B came here. But these kindergarten students having one habit, they won't simply fall down here. They will immediately jump up. He will stand up and he become very angry. And he wanted to sit, but his place B came and A came here. Listen carefully this. So he found that there is no place, he sit down here. But he was very angry. So he also did, I will also do push. But he did not find the B. But whoever he find, he pushed him. He pushed the A person. Now this time, A person fall down, flat on the ground. Sorry, B person. The B person flat on the ground and A came here. and C came here. And immediately B will wake up and he found his place. He is not there. He sat down here. This I'm doing correct now. C fell down. I think here I did mistake. C fell down here. Yeah. Yeah, some numbering I miss out. I'm sorry. So order will be changing. A, B, C flat down. So this came correct. I do correct. Yes. Now this time B did the same job and the situation become this way. And you can see the new situation is the old situation only came down. What I'm trying to tell you, if you remove the object one by one, so this is the arrangement, this is the new arrangement, this is also new arrangement, but this is the old arrangement came. Are you able to understand what kind of the arrangement is taking place here? One by one. C came and came from back. Then the new arrangement came, CAB. Then BCA came. Then ABC again came back. Original arrangement came back. This problem can be removed if suppose they are sitting on circular chair. A person, B person, C person. Let them play around. Nothing will happen. Every time same arrangement will be there. Means if you convert row arrangement to the circular arrangement, this order arrangement will be missing. This is called as the order arrangement. This is called as the order arrangement. ABC. How many order arrangement is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. This don't count. This is same as like this. From this example, what I'm trying to tell to you, you should understand meaning of the order arrangement. If I say A, B, C, D, I have to arrange. I know 4 factorial, 24 arrangement is there. But out of 24, only 4 are order arrangement. Did you understand? 4 are A to B, A, B, C, D. And next will be what? This A, B, C will go here, D, A, B, C. Next will be what? This C will come here, C, D, A, B. This is called the order arrangement. Next will be what? This D will come here, this B will come here, and so on. So total 4 arrangement will be there. Is the order arrangement is clear to everybody? Order arrangement is clear to everyone? In any number of objects are there, order arrangement equal to the number of objects. That's all. Please confirm everyone. Order arrangement is clear to everyone? Order arrangement is clear to everyone? So basically, as like when their previous situation when we are doing, there we divide the internal arrangement because their interchanging is not allowed. Here, order arrangement is not allowed. Suppose in the order arrangement, there is the numbering is there. 1, 2, 3. This if you speak, how will you speak this? You say ABC. How will you speak this? You say CAB. How will you speak this? BCA. Again, you will speak ABC. See, these 3 pronunciations are different to each other. So these are different arrangement. But think carefully. If I arrange ABC in a circle, and if I say you have to read only from in anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction, you'll say ABC. Now, if I shift this A slightly here, B slightly here, A also got there. Yeah, this sometimes computer is a problem for me. Okay, A and C came here. Then also you will speak ABC. Whatever way they move, you will always speak ABC, ABC, ABC. But here you cannot speak ABC. You have to speak CAB. So from row to circular, whenever we are moving row to circular, what arrangement is missing? Order arrangement. And that is the one of the internal arrangement. So if you want to do circular arrangement, just simply one job you have to do, divide by the order arrangement. That will give you circular arrangement. So straightforward, no new formula, no new methods. Circular arrangement equal to row arrangement divided by divided by order arrangement. Order arrangement. Row arrangement divided by order arrangement. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, I will explain the meaning of this. Clockwise and anti-clockwise are different. Otherwise, circular arrangement equal to row arrangement by 2 into order arrangement. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are same. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are same, meaning, sir, check it. Suppose I say A, B, C. If I say I'm reading from clockwise, so I will speak ABC. But if I will read from the anti-clockwise, I will read ACB. So in this situation, clockwise and anti-clockwise are different. Do you understand the meaning? So if clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, so this circular arrangement equal to row arrangement by order arrangement. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are identical, same, it's a given, or some situation will come, I will explain. So that time you have to divide more half. If I say this ABC reading and ACB reading is also considered same, then divide by 2 more. Is this line clear to everybody? Circular arrangement, I'm not going to spend one lecture. I will spend just 10 minutes. It's over. Am I clear to everybody? Please confirm, all of you. Don't sleep. Okay. So we know how to calculate. First thing, identification, order arrangement, or circular arrangement. First, that you should know. Their mistakes should not be happen. Suppose I say I have to arrange A, B, C, D on this place. Watch it. One place here, 2, 3, 4. This is row arrangement because I'm able to count first place, second place, third place, fourth place, or first place, second place, third place, fourth. This is the row arrangement. If I say I want to arrange them on some amoeba shape, first here place, second place, this is. I will say this is the circular arrangement because you cannot say this is the first. First, this also can be happen. First, this also can be happen. First, this also can be happen. So whenever in a closed loop you are arranging, so that will be called as the circular arrangement. Circular arrangement doesn't mean that one circle has to come. Whenever closed figure, so that will be circular arrangement. In circular arrangement, suppose somebody say that there is a circle. Here the place is mentioned number. This is the first place, this is second place, this is the third. They give on the chair, they give some numbering. Then this is the row arrangement only because numbering is there. Bhai. So whenever you are able to mark numbering, so that will be called as the row arrangement. Whenever you are not able to mark the numbering, that will be called as the circular arrangement. This is the difference between the row arrangement and circular arrangement. And calculation is very, 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 very simple. So, write the points quickly. Number of circular arrangement of n different objects taking all at a time. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are different. I hope all of you can give me answer. clockwise and anti-clockwise are different? Please type the answer. Are different. Type the answer. If clockwise, anti-clockwise are different, what will be number of circular arrangement of taking n different object, taking all the object at a time? Means all n object I am arranging at a time. Speak out. I gave you the method. Yes. Everyone, quickly. Think how many row arrangement? N factorial divided by order arrangement by n object are there. So order arrangement will be n only. So answer will be n minus 1 factorial. So this will be n minus 1 factorial if clockwise anti-clockwise are different. Otherwise, n minus 1 factorial by 2 if clockwise, anti-clockwise and anti-clockwise are same. Everyone understood? Those who did not give the answer, please confirm. Is it clear? Those who did not give the answer, please confirm. Is it clear? Okay. Next also you will give answer. Number of circular arrangement. See, my writing is very poor. Please listen my wording and then write. Number of circular arrangement of n different objects taking r objects at a time when clockwise, anti-clockwise are different. Clock and anti-clock different. Answer me. Everyone answer, please. As much as fast you can. Okay, Malli. No. Till now, I did not get correct answer. Nobody given correct answer. No correct answer till now. Think carefully. How many objects you are arranging at a time? Ask yourself. what happened? One person also did not give answer correct. One simple question, bhi. N different object, R object at a time. What is the order row arrangement? NPR. NPR will be row arrangement divided by number of order arrangement. Now number of order arrangement will not be N. Hello. It will be what? R. Because only R objects are playing the role. So divided by R. So NPR by R. Finish. And if it's clockwise, anti-clockwise are same, then by 2R. Clockwise and anti-clockwise are same. Am I clear to everyone? Please confirm. Everybody, those who did not give the correct answer, confirm. Is it clear? So as for the point of view for the calculation, this is the only things you have to remember. Rest you do the same logic as you are doing in the row arrangement. There is no big deal about it. So let's do some questions on this so that you can get, because if we need to do the questions. So let's check it. First question in front of you. Quickly, as fast as you can. One person asking this doubt. So whatever formula for row arrangement apply for circular arrangement, but divide by the order arrangement. Very much right. Yes. That's what I'm trying to tell to you. Okay, from circular, what is missing? Missing is what? The row arrangement is missing. Quickly type your answer. Only two people, no, only one person give an answer till now correctly. Two people. Okay. Let's see quickly. Check it here. In round table means just to specify you have to arrange on the circle, means closed loop. To be held 20 delights of 20 carnival, 20 people are there. Simple meaning, unnecessary this wording. The number of way in which they can be seated if two particular delights are always sit together. Same logic. By 20 people, now every time you don't have to do row arrangement, we know it. If it's 20 people, on circular arrangement will be 19 factorial, I know it. If there is no condition. If there is no condition, n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial, if there is no condition. Now, they are saying there is a condition. Ki two chunku munku has to be together always to make them single object. This is the one object become. So total how many objects become? Out of 22 people gone out, become a box. This box. And balance how many? 18. So 18 plus 1, 19. Means I have to arrange 19 object on a circular loop. So that can be done in how many way? 19 minus 1 factorial. But into internal arrangement of this, into 2 factorial. So answer will be your 18 factorial into 2 factorial. The answer will be 2. Is this clear to everybody? Is it clear to everyone? Am I clear? Okay. No, if you want to do by the row arrangement also, you can do it, but be clear. Don't try to be fix yourself. No, I will do by row arrangement, circular row arrangement divided by order arrangement, and then I will get answer. You can do it, but why? Very simple thing is that n object we have to arrange on a circle to n minus 1 factorial. Up now, rest everything. Apply the logic which we learned till now. If two objects want to come together, make them inside a box, arrange them into internal arrangement of them. Finish. So make things simpler, not complicated. Because complicated you can understand at this point of time, but later stage you cannot. You will not remember every all complicated methods. Next question quickly. I am expecting answer from everybody. Read question carefully. Take your time and give me the answer. You can answer as the 1, 2, 3, 4. That's way. 3 people given correct answer. 4 people, 5 people. Correct. Next. Oh, by mistake I said correct. Correct only, but I should not say. Otherwise, everybody will copy that. And I hope all of you are serious students, so there is no cheating method. The number of way in which 5 men, 5 women, and 10 children can be sit around a circular table, so that children are always together. Everything will be move around here, there. 5 men, 5 women, 12 children. Total, how many objects? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1. I'm not saying 1 children, but these 12 children gone in a box. So total 11 objects on circle. So 11 minus 1 factorial is the total arrangement. And inside the box, children can jump here, there. In how many way? 12 factorial. So value will be 10 factorial into 12 factorial. That is the answer. So third will be answer. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Right? Next. All simple question I'm asking. Tough question anyhow, I don't know. Tough question you have to do. You have to write JEE. I don't have to. Carefully solve this question. Generally, people do mistake. This kind of situation, people do mistake. I will not tell ki whatever answer you are giving, it's correct or not. I already said people do mistakes. One thing, Don't get confused with the wording of the question. 20% are invited for a party. So these 20% are guests. Host will be separately will be there. Sometimes, generally, I used to face that problem. My English is very poor. I'm sure that all of you understood. All of your English is very high-fi. Chaliye, let's see. I also don't know answer, but I know that people do mistake. And common mistake is that this 20, they consider this 20 is the total number of objects. No, there are total 21 object, one host plus 20 guests. So now they are saying that you have to arrange in such a way so that two particular guests are always sit on either side of the host. Means if host is here, one suppose that particular guest are G1, G2. They're always sitting together. Why not? We should make them as a single object. So out of 21 object, 3 object gone inside the box. So 21 minus 3, 18 object. 18 plus 1 box by 18 total. Now balance will be what? 18 guests are there. 18 guests are there. 18 guests plus 1 this object box. 19 object. We have to arrange in circle. So 19 minus 1 factorial into this guest can interchange their position because they're simply saying that they either side, both side. So into 2 factorial, they can interchange their position by 2 factorial way. So answer will be 18 factorial into 2 factorial. So third will be answer. Sorry. Second will be answer. I think so many people got it also. Somebody saying 19 factorial into 2 factorial? No. Is this clear now? Okay. See how honest he is. He is saying got correct answer by wrong method. Chalo. Anyway, at least you realize wrong method. Fine. Next question. This is careful. In JEE also 1-2 times they asked this kind of situation, not this question, this kind of situation. Here clarity about your circular and row should be clear. You should be crystal clear what exactly mean by circular and row for this particular question. Which question you want me to explain? I did not understand which question you are asking me. The previous question? Okay. All of you keep trying. Just some people have difficulty with this previous. 20 people are there invited for party. So total we are having H, G1, G2, so on G20. The 21 objects are there. H, host, G1, guest 1, guest 2, till guest 20. 21 object we have to arrange in a circle. But condition is that in this circle, wherever H is there, where H, at which place I don't know, but around this G1 and G2 should come. That 2 particular they mention. Particular means any 2 particular you can take it. So suppose G1 came here, G2 came here. Now they should be inside a box. So now total how many objects left it out? H gone, G1, G2 gone, so only 18 left out here, 18 guests. 18 guests left out. So total how many object? 1 box, 1 object. And 18 this one. So total 19 object. So 19 minus 1 factorial is the arrangement into 2 factorial because G1 and G2 can interchange their position by 2 factorial. That's what I said. I hope it's clear now. Am I right? Coming back to this question. I don't know answer. I also have to solve. Okay. Some Okay. Some people are giving answer. Let me solve. The number of way in which four men and four women are to visit for a dinner at round table so that no two men are sit together. Very good question. Means there is a restriction on the men. These people, these no two men should be sit together. Otherwise, they will start talking about cricket and women will get bored. So they made a plan कि भाई these any two men should not sit together. So first let's arrange the women's. So total four women's are there. In how many way I can arrange it? Because there is the free arrangement on circle. 4 minus 1 into minus 1 factorial. They are arranged into. Now listen carefully. Mean where will come? The possible position of the mean this, and this. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. But be clear. Now numbering is there. Because this is it's having a specific position between W1, W2. Means numbering. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand? You'll say, sir, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4 like this also. Yes, you can say. But this one and this one is different. This is the between W1, W2. This is the between W2, W3. This is the between W3, W4. This is the W4, W1. Means 4 position, 4 object in how many way? Row arrangement, because numbering is there into 4 factorial. So 3 factorial into 4 factorial. That means 6 into 24. 6 into 12, 12 into 144 should be the answer. So 2 will be answer. Am I clear to everyone? Anyone who did not understand? Did you understand that when I'm arranging the main, I'm counting? So you'll say counting means what? They're the one place between W1, W2. That is the first place you can say. Whenever there is some marking is there, some marking, that means that is the row arrangement. Whenever on the place there is some marking. Okay, so many people did not understand. Watch it. First, I arrange W1, W2, W3, W4. That is the 4 minus 1 factorial, no doubt about it. Now, gap method, remember, na? I'm using gap method. If you last class you missed, then it will be a problem. Now, I have to arrange the mean. Mean has to come here, or here, or here, or here. Means mean has to come between W1 and W2, or W2 and W3, or W3 and W4, or W4 and W1. Yes or no? So how many place for mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this place having numbering, having marking. This one, this is the between W1, W2. Whenever marking is there, that is the row arrangement. Bhai. So 4 places, 4 object, 4 mean. So we'll say into 4 factorial. Am I clear to everyone now? Those who did not understand, please confirm. Yes, main having the specific slot. Main having the specific slot. Yes, because main can come between W1, W2 only, or W2, W3 only, or W3, W4 only. Now is this clear to everyone? Those who said did not understand. Now, so I think you are able to understand somewhat circular. Don't worry, when we'll do problem solving session, it will make more clear. Now do this question. This is also a good question. this both the question, please take a screenshot because now time is getting over. So we'll be starting from these two question itself. Let's call it question 1. Let's call it question 2. Since now time is getting over, I will suggest you please solve these two questions, and after finishing class also, my this live session is getting over. Type answer in your comment so that I can see it, and let me see how many people are giving what answers. All right, so we will continue in the next lecture. Next lecture we will be doing circular arrangement is nearly got over. We'll do little bit 1, 2 more, 5, 10 more question, and then we'll be starting with the combination. All right, so 3, 4 classes will be taken up so that your basics of the complete permutation combination will get over. Then only we can start JEE questions. Right. So please solve and let me see how many. I will check after my next class, 1.5 hour next class is there. After that, I will check on the comment how many people given the correct answers. All right. And we'll start discussing with the next class in this. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.